YouTube Studio has a feature called Inspiration that'll help you make a vid. But what if you have writer's block and simply cannot be inspired? Is there a problem with only using these 3 videos to make a new video? Let's find out. First, you're gonna need a computer. Next, you're gonna have to set up the operating system. Okay, we're now in Windows. Let me just change this to be my actual desktop. There, that's better. Then, you're gonna need a video editor. Finally, you're gonna need your inspiration. You are now ready to start making your heavily inspired YouTube video. Okay, now you're gonna need your images and footage that may or may not align with the ideas of your video. It's your choice. And now, the final part. Now you're going to want to smush this beautiful media together, nice and sounds, and use it as some simple effects. Now you're ready to export a fresh new YouTube video for the whole world to see! Or you can just keep your masterpiece between you and your friends. Before you take on this tutorial yourself, let's see how my video turned out. It's all bad. By now. It's still bad. Under $14. Let's see. Come on. Headphones, yeah, these are the headphones. Well, thank you so much for watching. So cool. If you want to see more bad videos like this, go directly to Can't Stand That Pain but still like the video. Consider watching ridiculous little cartoons. Well, check already. Did you enjoy them? Consider